Yes, I'm sorry. Alright, bye.
Can I start the ride?
Yes, please.
Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Oh, that every heart desires.
That is the wrong place. You need to turn left at that junction so you can get back on. Sir, you're taking the wrong route. This is not the route to where I'm going. Sir, please, I think I'll just come down. I want to come down, please.
Happy Valentine's.
Ray! Ray, please stop. What are you doing? Ray, please! Ray, stop! Please stop! I cannot be in a fast car. Please stop! Ray, stop! Ray! Ah! Ray, stop! Stop! I can't be in a fast car. Stop! Ah! Ah! Ray, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Hey, are you okay? Are you okay? Jesus. Are you okay? Take her to my house. I'll get you some help. I'll get you some help. Hey, I got you some milk. What the? Are you okay? You okay? Hey, you're safe, okay? Hey, take it easy. Are you going to be alright?
Where am I?
You're in my house.
Oh.
I think you had motion sickness or something. I brought you some milk.
Don't even dare. Don't even come near me right now. What are you trying to do? Kidnap me? Or kill me?
Take it a bit slower, man.
Time at anything work out.
Yeah, man, me too. Damn. But you're strong, man. You kept up.
I have to keep up. I have to make sure that I catch up.
Yeah, right?
For real.
It's been such a long time.
For real.
Home sweet home, my G.
I wonder what Zeke is doing.
Zeke is probably drinking alcohol now. What else does he do with his life?
Why would you drink alcohol without us?
Ah.
Come on. At least you settled out the thing, so.
Yo, who is that? Baby. Ooh.
Sharp.
Ooh, nice.
Damn.
Girls are fine.
I haven't seen them around here too.
I got this, man. Let me show you how it's done. Hey, beautiful. Hey.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
My name is Raymond, but you can call me Ray. What's yours?
Cindy, is there a problem?
Cindy, of course there's a problem. I mean, I can hardly breathe when I'm beside you because you're so beautiful.
Nice pick-up line. Well, newsflash, I'm married.
Ah, come on, don't be like that. Let me get your number, okay?
Hello.
Can't you hear she's married? Are you there for something?
I was talking to the beautiful one, not the ugly one. So please, can you step aside?
What did you say?
I said I was talking to the beautiful one now.
It's fine.
Exactly, it's fine. So can I have your number?
Really?
Yeah.
So after you must have exchanged words and insults with my friend, you expect that I still give you my phone number?
Don't mind the idiot.
You must be joking.
Don't mind the idiot. The audacity for me.
Oh,
Don't mind
God.
me just be flying out up and down, walking up, gallivanting up and down. You just want to be collecting people's number.
Let's go, please.
See, don't worry. Just go. I can handle this guy. Imagine the audacity. Imagine this idiot.
I believe you. Please handle him.
Baby, come on now. Let me get that number real quick.
Leave her alone. She said she's married. Respect that.
It's your loss. Holler me, okay? Let me know. I got you, baby.
That one is an angry bird.
Yeah, I left her for you, actually, because I know that's how you like them. You like them angry and screaming.
Not me. Not me.
Home sweet home. Let's go.
Don't worry yourself. Still going to get that girl.
You know how girls, they just play hard to get now. They play.
This man. Zeke. Zeke.
Yo, Zeke. Nigga, wake the fuck up, man.
Who's that? This guy is still asleep. Oh boy.
Baba, we don't go gym, come back. You sit there, they sleep.
So tough now like this. Now just go without me. I'm not even say Mona wake me up.
Yeah.
Baba, see, you be fool, I swear to God. See, person when we wake here tired.
This unfortunate guy that will try to wake up. We try wake you, you know wake now. Just they sleep like baby elephants. He can't even miss the main crew, Seth. Yo, we saw some 2 nice sweet chicks outside, man. Well, not 2, 1 babe.
One
babe.
yes.
What's the other one's name?
Angry Bird.
Angry Bird.
Angry Bird.
Cindy and the Angry Bird. Nice babes outside, man.
Okay, so I don't want to take consignment like this.
As long as I say no.
You wait the sleep. Maybe the same drink we all of us drink last night.
For no just come out waking up. For just the go get. I see this way.
This guy is serious. Let's go and shower, big.
Oh, but now buy food come.
You dey mad. You dey crazy here.
Mama.
You're still sleeping.
Yeah. I don't even know when I slept off. Oh my God. Hope I saved this presentation. I did. Kem. This one that you came back late, what happened?
Late? Do you know what your time says?
Oh, is it like midnight?
Check your time.
Jesus! Morning already. Hey!
Easy, oh. All these 9 to 5 people. You've been so quiet lately. What's wrong? Are you okay? What happened?
So, I messed up my presentation at work.
How?
You know that presentation I've been planning for?
Mm.
I've been studying very hard for. And then I got to the office today, started presenting. All of a sudden, I realized my voice was shaking, my hands were trembling. Everything that I had just trained for, everything I had read up, I forgot every single thing. And the worst part is this is my second strike. One more strike and I am done. I am out. Babe, I won't lie to you. I'm tired of this job. I'm tired. I want to quit. Kemi.
Yes? Yes. Sorry.
So you mean you didn't hear anything I said?
I'm sorry.
I was just ranting to myself.
I'm sorry. Sorry, sweetie. Forgive me.
Are you serious?
I'm sorry. Okay, so this is Guy. I met him online on Instagram and we've been talking. He's really cool. He's the one even texting me, baby. He's really, really cool. And the first time he texted me was like months ago. I was like, you know what? I'm not doing this because his profile picture, there was no picture on it though. It was just flower. Then he had, I think 200 followers and he was following like 4,000 people, which kind of discouraged me. Then one day he dropped a comment on my page. I was like, you know what? Let me follow this account. And I followed him. When he accepted my request, I saw that this guy was not based in Nigeria. Then we got talking. Do you know the fun part? Let me get to the fun part. The fun part is he's coming back to Nigeria for Valentine's Day. And not just that, he said I should write down a list of things that I want, that he's going to buy it for me. It's kind of interesting because, I mean, I love Louboutin shoes, I love Coach bags, I love, maybe, like, so, and that, did I do something wrong?
Girl! Hey, baby! Girl, you won't believe what just happened.
So, you remember the guy I was texting on Instagram, right? The guy I told you about, the new guy. Yes, we were just talking when the main guy, he texted me. Let me read the message. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay, so he texted me and he said, babe, I've been thinking about how to make this Valentine truly special for you. A kind you've never experienced before. So here's the plan. On Sunday, we're spending the day at the spa, just you and I. No phones, no distractions. Monday, we are going shopping. Tuesday, a surprise dinner, you will find out where. Wednesday, a movie night at that rooftop cinema you love. Thursday, I'm sending a delivery to your house just to keep you smiling. Then on Friday night, the grand finale. A romantic dinner at any restaurant of your choice. Let me know what you think. Anything for you, my angel. Love you. Oh my goodness! Ah! Oh my goodness, this guy is so sweet, babe. I told you that this Valentine, now me get down. I know they drag him with anybody. Now me get the Valentine. You see this Valentine, now me get her. Now me get him. We are going to paint the city red. Clock it. Okay, I think I need to respond because I'm taking too much time. What should I say? Okay. Hey. It sounds like a plan.
Just look at her. Different men from all corners of the world are dying on top her matter. And me? I don't even have one man to myself. I'm just here killing myself over a job that barely pays my bills. Kai! Chisim Dimba Diwe, who did this to you?
Okay. So, this is what I said. I don't want to sound desperate, so I said, hey, that sounds like a plan. I think I love it, thanks. So I'm going to send. What do you think? Sim? Sim? You're not saying anything. You've not been listening to me.
Oh, no. I was just saying, I'm so happy for you.
I know, girl. I know.
This your...
Sorry,
man.
Excuse me, he's texting.
Wait now.
Baby, just hold on, just 1 minute.
Kemi.
Yeah.
Are you done?
No, I'm not done, but it's okay, you can go.
Thank you. This your man. Does he not have friends? Somebody you can introduce me to? Or this single, I'm single, is this fitting you?
Like this? As per your matchmaker bikini? Huh? How many times will I tell you? Try the come out. Now for house, man go see you. Now for house, you want meet man. You want make Angel Michael mold the man bring for you for us. I tell you say make you try the come out. Wear clothes, wear better hair, spray perfume, brush your teeth, come out, make man see you. Make you still see man. Now that time you go no say that's the way they between man leg get different shapes and sizes. But as you dey house, how you won't take no? You could just dey rotten. Only work now you sabi. As for me, you see me now. I don't joke with anything beauty. You think I'm wasting my time? Any small thing, I don't stand up for TikTok. Any small thing, I don't stand up. They shake my yash. They shake my water yash. You dey here, they misbehave. You want me to introduce you to who? Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. You are so lonely. You are so lonely. You have nobody to call your own. Lonely. You are so lonely. You have nobody to call your own. Hey! Lonely. You are so lonely. You are so lonely. You are so lonely. Oh. Lonely. You are so lonely.
Another day, another hustle. Another package. Hey. This girl is enjoying. Eh? Kemi! Kem! You have another delivery. Sheila. Yes? You have another delivery. Oh my goodness! Oh my... Who brought it? I don't know. I just saw it by the door. Oh my god! Oh! Oh, babe, this is so sweet. Oh my god. Baby. Huh? Oh my god.
This guy is so sweet. So what do you think it is that he sees in me?
Kemi, why are you asking that kind of a question? Just look at you now. You are fine. So pretty and you're tall. Eh?
I mean, I agree with you, but I don't think it's that. There are lots of girls in Lagos. Tall, fine girls.
Sure.
Now, Grace. It's Grace. Somebody shout Grace.
Grace!
Somebody shout Grace.
Grace!
Somebody shout Grace.
Grace!
Somebody shout Grace.
See the way I'm shouting, hopefully my own will locate me. Grace!
Like this. I better don't put me for talk.
What do you mean like this?
You don't see what you're wearing.
What's wrong with what I'm wearing? This is color blocking now.
Red, pink, purple.
Yeah.
Where is your blue? I beg. Come they go your 9 to 5. Yeah? I no one here say they give you query. You not say na me.
God forbid. I reject it in the name of Jesus.
Amen. They go. Oh, my Grace is speaking for me.
He's speaking.
From today, I will call you Rainbow.
Kem. Try and keep chocolate from me or anything at all.
Try and bring your own. Not be every time you go they borrow. When they still give you, make I collect from you.
Amen. No. God that did it for you will do my own. It's Valentine. I know it's still 1 week away, but I'm already feeling the heat. Kemi, every day she's been receiving a different gift. Flowers, package, a different package here, different package there from men that she has not even met at all. Crazy.
I beg. That one.
All I can say is God when.
God when. Then wait for your God to give you your own man. Baby, relax now. We have to focus. We have a lot of work to do. So please, and your time will come.
But
your gifts will come.
I know, but just think about it. Just imagine this. Me and I have one man that'll be sending me text messages every morning. We will use me as his wallpaper, something like that. Or now imagine that every day you just say, "Come, let's go out for dinner." Or we just send me one package to the house, like Kemi.
Imagination won't kill you.
The Lulu is the Solulu. You have to be. Like she's sweet too.
I know.
Sometimes I just imagine
it will come, my friend. You're a sweet person,
and you know,
so your sweet man will come.
I know, but when now? We're not getting younger.
Very soon, my love.
This office work is tired. Maybe just retire me.
I want to pull my heels.
Woo! Yo, I told you, my G. I got that babe, man. Yeah.
Which babe is that?
You know the girl now, that one now, that babe.
Oh, that babe we made the other day.
Of course, man. I told you I had this shit on lock now. I told you I had this shit on lock.
Wait.
Let's go.
Bro, how you take run now?
How I take run now? Baba, me na G now. Which one be say how I take run now? Me na G now. Come on, man. I spoke to the babe and the girl was dying in all corners, man. You know how it is. You know how I do?
Bad boy, Ray.
Yo.
You're a very bad boy.
I'm a very bad boy. My G.
Wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. I thought that baby's married.
Married? Baba, now so that they give lamba now. You're supposed to know these kind of girls. When they see that you can't take care of them, they start telling you, oh, I'm married. But by the time you spoil them, show them tender love and care and spoil them with things, the situation changes, my G. Do you understand?
Oh.
What's it happen?
Bad boy.
Baba, see, I don't better pass you. You say that one day, go see say novice go big pass or ga. You are my boy now. You're my G.
Because I teach you work now. You say you don't bad pass me.
She's my babe, man. That's what's up. Let's go. Man, why does this girl keep calling me now? What's this?
Who is that?
Oh man, I want child like this, man. I tell this girl, say me this girl need to disturb me. But she's always calling me like as if I the whole like kidney. Which one be this one now? Come, I go block your papa.
This girl don't go fall in love with who know they serious with in life.
I leave that one. How far? Food day house.
I mean, they ask if food day your own house, you the Chris.
You the mad. Food day this house.
The Chris.
Yo, let me tell you something, my G. But you know the difference for me and you, right? Is that I got a hot girl and you got a laptop. So play with your laptop, my G.
Bad boy Ray. Oh God.
Hey girl, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey girl. Oh, girl! Okay. You're going out? Yeah. So, I'm going to Sky B Lounge with my man. Do you like it? I love it. You look so good. I know. How do I describe you now? You look like an American burger. Juicy. Succulent. Okay. Body tea, body match. Girl, I said let me not do too much. You know, it's just like a simple date. So. Like this. If you want to do too much, you know the matter now. Okay, so everything looks so good. Your shoes, the skirt. Look around back. I have to go. I don't need to keep my man with. Okay. All right. Wait, Kenny. Hey, ring. Take away from where you're coming from. They forbid you to come out. If you need take away, go out. It's fine. I'll bring something for you. Thank you. Let me go and shake my ass. Hey girl, I really want to see if you can go downtown with a girl. You don't want to see me. You started your party here. Don't let them kidnap you or I'll keep fine like this. Me self go love. Hi. Try. Love is sweet. Don't let anybody tell you anything. I must have my own boyfriend. They just be going out on dates and stuff. Soon.
Sim, come and say.
What's up?
This is the new estate layout we are working on. All we have to do is to get 3 clients. And it's a huge plus for us.
Oh, look. Wow. This is wonderful.
I know.
This looks so good.
Look.
You know what I'm thinking? I think we need to do those social media ads.
Okay.
Do it across various social media platforms. What we just need is more eyes to look at these buildings. This is wonderful. As soon as we do, we're going to cash out. We're sitting on a gold mine here.
Wow. I'm going to draft out some things.
Okay.
And I will send it to the CMO. Once she approves of it,
okay,
it's a win for us. You know.
Yes. Oh, this is really nice.
What's up? What's up with your girl? I've not seen her around.
Kemi. Anessa, you're funny. I don't know. So why are you asking?
How am I funny?
Why are you asking?
Because I want to know. Every day I come here, she's not always at home. Where does she go to?
See why I said you're funny? You think Kemi is like me and you whose lives revolve around work, right? Kemi is a baby girl. Today, she's getting flown somewhere. Tomorrow, she's going on a spa trip with somebody. Next tomorrow, she's going shopping with another. Look, Kemi is not, she's not our mate.
Is that supposed to be a flex?
Before Uncle. Vanessa, she's living her best life. And if I'm going to be totally honest, I'm actually happy for her.
I'm happy for her too.
So, how about you? What are you doing for Valentine?
Valentine, okay. No be who get man they do Valentine. I beg you.
I don't understand. Chimanko. Vanessa.
She broke up with me.
What happened?
See, I don't want to talk about that stupid guy. I don't want to discuss him. He's a goat. And I know why he disappeared. Because of this Valentine shingers. But I know him. He's going to come back and beg. And when that happens, I will look at him and tell him that I'm done. Because he's a very wicked and manipulative human being. I hate him. And I don't want to talk about that guy, please. Please.
You're strong. Oh. Somebody broke up with you and you are here just working. If it's me, I know myself. I'll be inside that room just crying and crying and crying for weeks.
See, babe, I've already planned myself for Valentine.
Are you serious?
Yes, I ordered a very cute white dress. On that day, I'm going to beat my face, wear my expensive shoes, my bag, head out. You can join me if you want.
Yes, please.
You really want
Yes.
to? Okay, so we'll go to a fancy restaurant.
Okay.
You like pasta, right?
Yes.
You order for yourself.
Okay.
I'll order rice for myself. We'll order red wine, sweet one.
Sweet one. Yes.
We'll pay. We will pay. When we are done, on our way we'll buy flowers. Valentine never finish.
For ourselves? We can do that?
Yes. Not single, we no keep person. I beg.
Okay. At least we'll be able to show Kemi and say, look at our flowers.
Yes, so.
I love it!
So, please, I can now concentrate on work, right?
I won't disturb you again. We have Valentine plans.
Same.
So on a 6, I've been a 5.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, who's this?
And I'll Sapolo. You get package what I get for you. So just send me your address, I bet I can deliver them.
What package? I'm not expecting any package. Who is this?
As you hear package, you no go know say na ride that they talk. You hear the package, you go all these people na go use like say no be na get package, you know they expect anything. Just send me your address, I beg.
Please, I didn't order for anything, please. I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't be Simdi be this.
Yes, I am.
Aha! What you gonna talk? Simdi. Waiting I get here. Simdi.
Why are you talking to me anyhow? Okay, the person that asked you to deliver something, didn't the person give you an address?
Maybe your number be 07066 97555. I mean 556. Madam, your number, I beg, send address. Quick, I beg, I get order, so. I beg, fast.
Please, don't. Hello? So confused. Just called me and saying he wants to deliver something and I should send my address. I didn't order anything.
That's from his sweetheart. admirer?
Me, secret admirer.
Why can't you have a secret admirer? Why?
All these Lagos girls, they sabi form. So when I go dey form say, you know they expect anything, but when the thing just come, now they do clock it, baby. I bet I go before I go even rest.
Send the address now. Send it.
I don't even know this person. Vanessa.
I'll send it myself.
No, I don't. Vanessa, are you sure?
You should share send the gifts.
Hey, babe.
Babe, what's up? Have you gotten the package?
Did I not tell you that it was probably a case of mistaken identity? I've not heard or seen the delivery guy. Alright.
Yes, hold on.
Madam, wait. Now never carry ice and flour. I beg, now you be Cindy.
Is this for Sim?
Now for Simi. Now you be Cindy.
This is for Cindy.
Now you be Cindy.
I'm not Cindy, but it's this for Cindy.
What's going on?
I beg, who be Cindy?
I am.
Yeah.
Just now I just opened door. Wait, she just opened door, sorry. She gonna do for flower no be her own. Now you just they call me now. Cause say now you be Cindy. I need to confirm. Just give me a few minutes. Before I know now, when I go reach 20 years now, they answer Cindy.
My phone is not here. It's inside.
Okay.
Now you be Cindy, no face. See am.
For me?
Yes, so.
Who sent it?
I don't know who sent them, but the person saying an animals. So maybe I'm saying an animals. Hope say you don't confirm the delivery now.
Yeah.
You don't confirm, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you.
What's going on?
I have no idea.
Ooh, this is what it means to get flowers.
Ooh.
You don't know who sent it?
At all, I have absolutely no idea.
And you're blushing.
Kemi, this is a dream come true for me. I am so happy this is the first flowers I'm receiving. Of course I'm blushing.
Let me see.
So tiny. Oh, this one is big.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I don't know who sent it. What's that? What's... How do you open these parcels?
Kenny, you get a lot of parcels. How do they open them?
Secunda. The brand.
What about
Secunda.
it? Yeah.
Jeez. You said you don't know who sends this thing.
Huh? What happened? Why are you shouting?
It's expensive.
It is?
It's expensive, babe. See. It's diamond crested.
So those are real diamonds?
Yeah! I need to try it on.
Oh
my God.
Let me take it off. Take it off, please. Take it off.
It's my hands.
Kemi, we don't even know who sent them.
This is beautiful, babe.
Kemi, please, take it off. Please, handle it with care, please.
You said you don't know the person that sent this.
I have no idea.
Because this is expensive. Think you should know the person.
Wait. I think it might be John.
And who the hell is John?
John is the guy from my office.
Hey. 9 to 5, no fear for them. Salary earner. No, this one is not for salary earners. Do you see what I'm saying?
Is it that expensive?
It is so expensive. It's even my size. Let me try it again.
Please keep it. No. Keep it.
Babe, you said you don't know the person.
Yes. You're saying that it's a... Please keep it, please.
Jeez, girl.
Can we please take it off? Please.
Wait now, relax.
No. If it's that expensive, then...
Then it's for me. Wait, let me see first. Wait.
Give me.
Wait now. Wait. Give me. Just put it inside the box like this so it does not break. Hey!
Why would somebody send things that are so expensive and then...
There's a note.
There is?
Wait.
What does it say?
You're probably racking your brain right now, trying to figure out who I am. Here is a hint.
Okay.
Handsome, charming smile, smooth pickup lines. Ring any bell? Does it ring a bell?
No.
Exactly.
If anything, I'm even more confused now.
I think it's mine. Honestly. I think this belongs to me. Like, I know. Hold on now. Hold on. See, let me tell you, my guy used to send me gifts with this type of pack. It rings a bell. I know someone that is handsome and charming. I think I need to ask questions.
Apparently, I do too.
Where? You said Mr. John from your office, and obviously, where is the wristwatch? The wristwatch, he cannot afford it. But me, you see this handwriting, I know who has it. I will ask questions. My phone is inside. I'll go and bring it.
These are real diamonds.
Real ones. Okay, now I'm tempted to open these ones.
Somebody sent you. What is that?
I'm telling you that we need to confirm who sent it because you don't know the person. It's obviously for me.
It's my Valentine.
Bring out. Give me this to watch. What are you doing? Is it yours? Is it yours?
Is it yours?
Is it your size? It's obviously for me. We'll ask questions. Ask questions. I don't know how the person, so of writing Kemi, the person went to go and write.
Oh shit. Guess who's calling me? Hey, beautiful. You finally decided to return my call.
Who's this?
Come on now, this is the sexiest voice you've ever heard. It's Raymond.
Mister, please can you get straight to the point? I don't have time.
Oh, I see you like it when I go straight to business, huh? Okay. I sent you a package, a very lovely package. Tell me that you received it or you haven't solved the puzzle yet.
What package are we talking about here?
Are you really asking me this question? I sent you a package. You didn't receive it?
I don't know what you're talking about, Mr. Ray. I didn't receive any package from you or anybody.
Come. You dead serious, Abi? You dey whine me?
Mr. Ray, this line is strictly for business. Please, call me only when you want to order food. And please, can you stop all these flirtatious advances? I'm married, for God's sake.
Hello? This babe hung up on me.
Bro, that girl is just trying to play a fast one on you. Definitely.
Wait, are you serious? Do you know what I sent to this girl? A really expensive package. Like, bro, you guys would have seen that thing. And she's doing all of this crap.
One chance.
One chance, my brother. No, but jokes aside, I mean, if you think about it, bro, it could be that she's with her husband, you know.
That's a good point.
Yeah. I mean, you know how women can be. So she's probably waiting for the right time, you know, when the man is out of the way, she'll probably just answer to you. You know how these people behave. No worry, not small challenge.
Man, the guy better move aside though, because you know if he just chop me like that for free, me self supposed chop her. Do you understand?
Bad guy.
No, my thing.
Supposed chop her back. Top gifter. How many times when you don't gift us? Top gifter, he gift. He gift.
You that's the way you talk now, you the mad.
No, I just say
So what you're trying to tell me now is that no one has reached out for these gifts?
At this point, I think it was sent by a ghost.
Wait,
Because
hold on. No calls, no messages at all.
nothing. Do you know what I even did? I took a picture and I posted it on my WhatsApp stories. And then I posted on my Instagram page, hoping that, maybe the secret admirer will see it in case they've forgotten or something, and then reach out, so I can appreciate them. But nothing. Absolutely nothing. I don't know what else to do.
See, let's see it this way.
Okay.
What if the secret admirer is a shy person? He's just waiting for the right time to reveal himself or something. Because all this.
Right time. This person needs to come forward and, just make his intentions known.
And what if he never does?
Well, then it leaves me no choice. It's going to be either of two things. The first one is I'm going to trash it.
Trash it?
Because I don't want to holler now. And then, or two, I called the delivery guy and asked him to come and pick up the stuff because if you want to trash it, just tell me.
Because I'm going to hold my trashing bag and you pour it inside. You know I'm good with all this type of things.
Kemi, all the things that they've given to you, you've not even finished opening all of them. Now you want to take mine too?
Because you've been complaining. If you don't want it, give it to me. I don't mind.
I'm not. I just want to know who this person is so at least I can say thank you.
If he wanted your appreciation, he would have reached out to you since. Don't you think so? Rest. Since he has not called you, he has not texted you, leave him alone. Since you got this gift, we've been having a headache. Ha!
Please give me that. Let me put it back inside. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching anything in it.
That's why I keep saying this one might be my own. I'll give my own gifts now that you're packing.
Just put it right.
Instagram is filling my reels with Valentine. What the heck? What? Who's this? This looks exactly like my package. No. This is actually my package. But who is this girl? What?
Look, I have just one question to ask you. Where is the package I asked you to deliver to Cindy?
Oh God, that one no be question. I don't deliver on sharp. I don't waste time.
So why is Cindy calling me and saying that she has not received anything?
Now what did she tell you, man? Ha! You see all these Lagos girls have been lie. Even as I go there, she tell me say no be she get the package. I tell her say na she get them. She go say no be she. I say na she. It say no be she. I say na you because I the number wey you give me now. I just.
Oh please shut up. Is that not the package I asked you to deliver? Or is this a coincidence?
How can I get confused? Now the person be this now.
This is not Cindy.
How can I Cindy be this? Now you give me number, give me address. I got the number. Now this person come out for the number.
Let me see the number that you have.
I be don't throw away the paper, but it in my phone.
This is a 5 and not a 6. The number I gave you ends with a 6.
Organa 5 I see for paper. You know, say your 6 and 5 they always confuse. They fight like Iraq and Iran.
Oh, please keep quiet, please. I'm going to give you 24 hours for you to go back there and get me my package. If not, you regret working for me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now leave here.
So, okay, what we go do?
I have never been as livid in my entire life as I was this morning. The insult too I don't chop. For what? What did I do? And then on top of that, if you see the amount of people that were dragging me in my comment section. But that was not the worst though. There was this particular guy. He said he was the one that sent it. After this guy had insulted my entire life on my timeline. And he came to my DM. Times 3 of that insult. That's what he gave me. Inside my DM. Me, Cindy, was calling me a thief. He was calling me a thief. What have I ever stolen? What did I steal? And then, now all the blogs, every blog is carrying it. My picture, everywhere. Everybody's saying that I stole somebody's package. Me steal somebody. Why would I do that? Why?
How did you steal a package that was delivered to you at your doorstep?
Ask me.
How?
Thank God that you were here. If not, nobody would have believed anything.
Okay, I don't think this story is complete. After the guy DM'd you, what was your response?
Nothing.
You didn't say anything?
No.
You let him insult you? You did mess up, guy. You did fool my hand. Ah! You did mess up! So somebody will text you, insult you, and you will let the person just walk away without telling the person things that the person is not supposed to hear. Eh? Okay, why you not bring the phone come? At least you should have allowed me to express my freedom of speech. Eh? I'm so disappointed in you, honestly. There are certain things people are not supposed... When somebody insults you times 10, you insult the person times 1 million. Yes? Are you excusing me?
The insult was too much.
Yes?
I beg, where the other sister, I beg?
Why you define her?
Let me tell her, say that package where she carry no be her own, I beg. Make she return her. I beg.
You dey mad?
Maybe.
You dey craze?
Sometimes.
So na sabi the right thing to do. Now una first go comment for her page. Abi? Ogbeni, get out.
I beg. Anything will make me go without that package while I go there. I'm not gonna be any other person, I beg.
How you take consign me?
I beg, madam.
How we take consign me?
Madam, I beg. Help me, I beg. Help me, I beg.
Oga, get out. Go tell Oga say she don't carry the package in exchange for her shame.
Yeah.
Oga, get out, Ogbeni! Oh no, she. Oh damn. Olori Bruku. If you not come over here, I go call police, oh. I go call police, oh. Don't joke with me. Baby, relax. Relax. You don't collect flower before. You don't collect box before.
But this flower has too much wahala.
I don't
now.
understand. You never carry all this gift before. Now you won't go to the when you see. If you not come over here, I will call police, so as I be short boys. I will call them for you.
I beg, no, they shall have break. If they break your heart, just let me know, I beg. I'm sorry.
You won't go return package. You never see package before. Now you see package. You won't go return.
This package.
You see they here?
Package of trouble. Package of wahala.
Okay, no vex. Okay, beg, no vex. I try my best. I make her explain.
Go ahead, explain.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, as I go there, God no. I shout. I para. I fight.
Okay.
In fact, you no get any kind of pressure I no put. But okay, they no gree shake body. I say move, they no gree move. Shake, they no gree shake. Okay, I no get wetin I no fit do. As you did like this now, okay, you don't pass my power.
That is fantastic.
Sir?
I said you did your best. I must commend your efforts.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, God will bless you. Because you are very, very understanding. Sir, make I dey go.
This your face cap. Let me see it.
Sir, now you buy am.
Let me see. It looks very nice.
Sir, now you buy am.
Let me see it. This is nice. Asakpolo. Come closer.
Sir?
Come closer. I said come closer.
Sir?
You are a very stupid man. You're an idiot and a very big fool. Do you know how much that package is worth? Look, you better go back to that house and make sure you get me my package. If not, you will lose your bike and this your front seat. Do you understand? Now get out of here! Get out of here!
The phone is ringing, Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there.
Well, excuse me, who are you?
Your landlord.
Excuse you?
So you're the thief. You're the small, unfortunate thief that actually stole my expensive package.
Oh, it's you. So insulting me online was not enough. You brought it offline too. After all the insults that you rained on me, after putting me on blast, yeah, you have the audacity to walk into my house as if you own the place?
Are you done?
Please leave.
And if I don't, what will happen? What exactly would you do? You should be lucky that I did not call the police to lock you up and put you behind bars for stealing my stuff. Then if you are there, you'd be crying and wailing rather than wasting your voice on me.
Arrest me. I dare you. In fact, I triple dare you. Try it and see. You arrest who? For what? So all the rubbish stunts that you put online was not enough. You come into my house like some child to... You know what? Just get out.
Well, I am not leaving until I get my package. And that's as simple as ABC. I'm sure you understand ABC, right?
Well, you're not getting any package.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Then I am not going anywhere.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there.
Here are your stuff. Please take your rubbish package and go.
Rubbish, you say? You know, this rubbish can actually feed you and your entire generation for a whole year.
Oga, please shut up. It's always the empty drums that make the loudest noise. Please take it and go. You don't have to open it here. Please, please, please be going. Sir, please come and be going. Please, I'm begging you. He's the one that you see who used to say that somebody did something. I don't know. Send something to somebody. Next thing they are dragging somebody as if I asked for anything.
There was a wristwatch in this bag. Where is it?
If there was a wristwatch here, it's going to be in there. I didn't take anything out. What watch? What wristwatch? I don't know about any wristwatch. If there's no wristwatch there, then there was no wristwatch.
Look. Don't take me for a fool, okay? Neither am I dumb. There was a wristwatch in here, and obviously it's not here anymore. I did not want to involve the police at first, but now I think you leave me no choice. I would give you 2 days to get me my wristwatch. And if you don't, you wouldn't like what I would do to you.
I didn't take any watch. I didn't take any watch out. How can I provide something I don't know about? I didn't see any watch. I didn't touch any watch.
Have a great day, Mrs. Whoever you are.
Sir, please come and take your flat. What kind of wala is this one now? What kind of wala is this now? I was on my own. I didn't ask for anything. Where's this watch? I didn't take it out. Oh, I told Vanessa I didn't want any of this trouble. I told her. Oh, God. Is the watch inside? I
didn't see any watch now. Let me check. I didn't see anything.
Body tea, body match. Clock it. Body tea, body match. Clock it. The body is banging. The body is giving 100 over 100 minus nothing. There is nobody like me. There is nobody. Nobody comes close. The body is giving. Look at that waist now. Look at the waistline. Ha! Look at the nyash. The nyash is nyashing. Babe. What's up? You don't look happy. You make me sound vain. What is it?
He was here.
Who?
The package guy.
That stupid guy. What does he want?
What else? Came to come and pick up his package. And then, do you remember that watch you said is expensive? It's missing, I can't find it. I've looked everywhere for it, I can't find it. And this guy embarrassed me and insulted me again because of this thing. Do you know where it is?
Do I know where it is? I mean, how am I supposed...
Kemi, do you know where the watch is? The watch, do you know where it is? Kemi. Where's the watch? What did you do? How many times have I told you not to take anything from my stuff without telling me first?
If I had told you, you will not give it to me.
Of course I will not give it to you.
What are you doing?
I'm calling his delivery guy to come and pick it up. What are you doing?
I misplaced it.
Kemi, you say? Kemi, I don't think I heard what you said. You say?
I misplaced it.
Huh. I'll call you back. Package guy has been stalking me. He shows up to my door unannounced. I'll just hear a knock and then I open my door. The next thing I've seen him. At this point, it is borderline harassment.
Because of wristwatch.
I don't even know what I'm supposed to do.
Hey. Were you the one that misplaced it? No. Kimi should contribute. You two should contribute and pay him. Simple.
I don't know about that one. Kemi said the watch was very expensive.
Is this something you cannot afford? Is this something both of you cannot afford? If you bring some parts of the money, Kemi will bring some parts and give him.
But after I bring my own part, you know how Kemi behaves. That girl, even no matter how much she has, she's always pretending as if she doesn't have anything.
Were you the one that misplaced it?
No.
So what are you saying?
Maybe I should just talk to him.
What?
Next time he shows up, I'll just have a conversation with him.
No. You don't have to. Kimi have to be the one to talk to him. You were not the one that misplaced it now. Sim, come on.
Yeah, but it's not hard that he's harassing now. It's easy for you to say because it's not you either. And somebody has not stalked you before. That's why you are saying this thing.
Wait. Is this why you stopped here? Please, let's go.
So it's not important?
It's important. Let's go. Nothing will happen.
It's not your phone that they are calling now. It's not you that they are harassing.
It's me that will pay, not you.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart
which kind of player be this one now? What nonsense they play like
No
this?
be Arsenal, wetin dey expect? No be Arsenal, wetin dey expect? They go perform magic for your eye. Na them now, na their normal pattern be this one. And you said they
We don't give people high blood anyhow.
We never start.
I'm not surprised though. I'm not surprised. It's Arsenal. What do you expect, bro? You can never disappoint me. You see that nonsense? You see that rubbish?
What this can play? Maybe they watched it.
I'm not. At all.
Ray. Ray.
Hey, man.
What are you on about? What's the problem? What's going on? What's the problem? Wait, are you still on this Cindy girl matter?
Bro, I'm sorry. Honestly, I didn't think this was going to be this fun.
Okay. What's the fun?
I mean, the way she trembles when she sees me, you know, and when she's apologizing, I can see the cuteness in her eyes and how I didn't think this was going to be very amusing to me. It's quite fun.
You like it? What's this guy talking about? Wait, you don't dey crazy, so. Abi, am I?
Wait. So, harassing a girl for a common wristwatch, that's your idea of fun?
Please don't get it twisted, man. Come on. You know what I'm talking about.
Wait, leave this girl alone. You don't beat past this thing now.
Exactly. Joe, Abi, were you not here when the same Ray told us that this girl is classless and unattractive, right?
I thought I was the only one who heard it.
I mean, now all of a sudden she's now tickling your fancy.
Look, she's not tickling my fancy, and don't get it twisted. It's Ray now, come on, you guys should chill. Not like as if I'm hooking up with a girl or anything, God forbid that. But she actually got herself into this. You know, she went and took a package that did not belong to her. Anyway, do you understand? Come Come to think of it, I have an idea.
Yes, I'm sorry. Alright, bye.
Can I start the ride?
Yes, please.
Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
That is the wrong place. You need to turn left at that junction so you can get back on. Sir, you're taking the wrong route. This is not the route to where I'm going. Sir, please, I think I'll just come down. I want to come down, please.
Happy Valentine's.
Ray! Ray, please stop. What are you doing? Ray, please! Ray, stop! Please stop. I cannot be in a fast car. Please stop. Ray, stop! Ray! Ah! Ray, stop! Stop! I can't be in a fast car. Stop! Ray, you're scaring me.
Hey. Are you okay? Are you okay? Jesus. Are you okay? Take her to my house. I'll get you some help.
Hey, I got you some milk. What the? Are you okay? Okay? Hey, you're safe, okay? Hey, take it easy. Are you going to be alright?
Where am I?
You're in my house.
Oh.
I think you had motion sickness or something. I brought you some milk.
Don't even dare. Don't even come near me right now. What are you trying to do? Kidnap me? Or kill me?
No.
I wish you had just arrested me as you threatened, instead of harassing me and trying to kill me. All for what? A bloody wristwatch? Mr. Man, I didn't even ask for any of this. I was on my own. And then a package just showed up to my door and my life has been ruined ever since.
Look, I'm sorry.
What do you have to gain from ruining my life and just constantly harassing me? Eh? What?
Look, at least can I take you home?
Don't even try it. I know the way to my own house.
Look, don't be like...
Hey, baby.
Sorry, what's going on? How did you get into my house?
What do you mean? Well, you blocked all my numbers and then I thought maybe you might have relocated to Pluto or something so that you can avoid me.
Anything to get... Could you stop touching me?
Oh, please.
Anything to get rid of you.
Really?
Can't you see that what happened between us, you're just a fling? Nothing serious. Do you understand?
Me? A fling? Well, you're calling me a fling? Hey, I have suffered. Okay, it looks like you don't know what you just entered. Don't even play with me. Don't try me. Okay?
Are you done here? Because if you're done, you can use the door on your way out.
Ray! Don't walk out on me. You're not going anywhere. Okay. You're coming to here.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expected. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expected. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love
Kemi,
when I least expected.
what's going on? Kemi! 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 What happened? You're scaring me. What happened?
Men has come.
Did she drink this whole bottle? This girl. What happened? How are men come? Yes?
Men has come. When I tell you men has come, believe me. Men has come. When a man tells you his name, baby, confirm it. When he tells you the time of the day, please check your wristwatch. When he says hi, run. Men are selfish. They are liars. They cheat a lot. They are manipulators. 1 naira truth no dey man lives. 1 naira truth. He broke up with me. I'm 6 foot tall. Yet he still broke up with me. A whole speck.
Which of them?
Men are liars.
Sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
They cheat so
It's
much.
okay. It's true. It's true. Sorry.
After I gave him my heart. After I gave him my heart and loyalty. He did this to me.
But at least you still have the other ones, right? I'm just trying to help. Okay, so I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Please. Okay.
Come on. What were you thinking, Ray? What if something worse had happened to that girl? To you both? What would you have said then?
Bro, come on. I was just trying to scare her. I mean, it was nothing serious. I was just catching crews and all. How was I supposed to know she had a phobia for speed?
Guy, look. I know you like to toy with women and all, but this one, you took this one too far now, guy. Yeah, normal. We don't like the girl we don't like the girl like that. We don't send them like that. But come on, guy. Now. Okay, what if she actually sues you for emotional distress and possibly attempted murder? Guy, you can't just go around gambling with people's lives just because you want to catch crews. Guy, you pass that thing now. What they do like this?
Look, bro, stop making me sound like as if I'm the worst person in the whole world.
Guy, see. All I'm just saying is, you have to be more careful. And you must apologize to that girl.
I've already apologized to her.
No, not like this. You have to do it properly. This one is not enough.
Okay, Daddy.
Guy, no, stop playing now. I'm serious here. Anyways, Get ready. We're hitting the gym.
I'm not going to the gym today.
Because?
I'm just not in the mood.
Which man? Okay. I'm off.
Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Oh, love is sweet.
Kemi, babe, get up, wake up. It's past 11. You're still asleep.
I can't afford to stay now.
Because of man.
It's weekend.
Are you the first person with a heartbreak? Get up, Joe. Babe, I'm not trying to be a motivational speaker or anything, but the relationship is done. So it's time to move on. He's not the only man in the world.
You know, I did a lot of things. Things I'm not proud of. There was a time he told me he went bankrupt. I was the one footing his bills. The Valentine dinner, I was the one that paid. I even paid for decoration. I was hiding his shame, thinking, okay, maybe when he bounces back on his feet, he will give me back the money. After paying for decoration, I met another woman there.
You met his side chick?
The main one. Apparently, I was the side chick.
Ah!
She has his ring and I don't. When I walked in, I thought maybe on seeing me, he's going to be so scared and try to deny things. But no. Rather, before her, he admitted that he was done with me and that he wants to focus on his marriage.
He's getting married.
He's getting married.
You can't sleep. I'm so sorry. I am flabbergasted. This is serious.
I'm sorry.
Kemi, it's you that they broke her heart. It's me you're telling sorry. It's okay. There's nothing to be sorry about. We all make mistakes. It's fine. It's okay. No? Sorry.
The wristwatch I told you I lost.
Yeah.
I gave it to him. I couldn't say no. So I gave it to him. But I promise I will pay you back. I will save up and buy another one, please.
You say? You gave the watch to that useless man.
You don't mean it. So she has been the one sponsoring the relationship. Buying the bags, the bouquet, all those gifts. She has been the one sending it to herself. Just to make you feel less of yourself?
No, wait. Let's be clear. That's not how the relationship started. Oh. She said all that started happening after he got broke.
Hey!
But you know what's funny about this is the fact that she was spending all the money on the guy. He was saving the money for his own wedding.
Hey! See, men are evil. Men are wicked. I just pity the poor girl. But she still have the Canada guy now.
Aproko. It's okay. Face your work. Face your work. Let's
Am I
go
not
back to
saying the
work.
truth?
Face your work.
When is she going to pay for the wristwatch?
Vanessa!
She no go pay.
In this time? Somebody that is going through a heartbreak.
So? And so? So what concerns money and heartbreak?
No. I just feel like it's not fair on her. It's the least I can do in this trying time.
So you want to pay? Are you expecting anyone?
Let me check.
No, hold on. Let me just go to the bedroom. I don't want distractions. Okay?
I'm just stay.
Okay. See you.
Hey, please, I promise to not make any trouble.
What do you want?
I just want to talk.
About what? We have nothing to talk about. If this is about your watch, just send me your account number. I'll send it to you as soon as possible.
Look, it's not about that. I just wanted to apologize for the last time. And also make it up to you.
The only way you can make it up to me is to stop disturbing me. Okay? Please.
Okay, how about what if I make you keep the money for the watch and then just have dinner with me?
Who was that?
The package guy.
He came for his wristwatch.
He came to ask me out on a date.
A date?
Yeah.
From where to where? From being a sworn enemy to a date?
It's not a romantic date, oh. He said he just wants to apologize. To hell with him and his apology.
To hell with who and his apology? Who go pay for the wristwatch? Sim, you go pay? Sim, will you pay? To hell with who? Will you pay? Do you have the money?
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expected. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expected. Oh, love is sweet.
Hey, please. You came.
Yeah.
Okay, please come in.
Love is beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
So, Cindy, these are my friends, Joe and Zik. Zik, Cindy.
But when we finish that thing, I better carry this one from body.
Seems like you guys had a party.
Party? No, it's just I and my guys. Nothing serious.
Oh. You must have been celebrating something.
Don't you celebrate every day? I mean, life is worth celebrating, right?
It's love knocking when I least expected.
Anyway, please make yourself comfortable. Let me clear the table.
Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Oh, love is sweet. beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
You know, I'm actually nervous if maybe I cooked magic or I made a total disaster.
I mean, it can't be that bad.
You know, I like that you're optimistic.
So your friends,
Mm-hmm.
they don't seem very welcoming.
Oh, please don't pay attention to them. They're just like that when they see a visitor. But if you get to know them, they're actually cool people.
Okay.
Hmm?
It just seemed like I was intruding or something.
Intruding? No, we were just working. That's pretty much it.
Working. Okay.
Oh, no, please. I think I get the point you're trying to make. Maybe because you see the laptops and the alcohol and you probably think we're actually into tech. That's what we do.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, I'm sorry if I sounded judgy. It's just with the, like you said, the alcohol, the atmosphere just looked like I walked into an HQ.
No, I get that a lot, so it's fine.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, let's eat. Is everything okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How is it?
It's not that bad. It's just really salty.
Yeah. Now I owe you another apology. Look, I'm sorry. I should have just ordered.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'll manage it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wait, how bad is this?
Yeah. Just like you cooked some salt with a little bit of rice.
I guess that's why they call me salt of the world. I'm sorry.
Well, I'll manage it.
So would you like some
Thank you.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door.
Hello?
Hope I didn't wake you up.
No, I was still awake, just doing some work. Hope no problem.
Not at all. I just wanted to check on you.
I'm fine. We just saw each other like an hour ago.
Yeah, I know. I just couldn't sleep. And for some strange reasons, your face keeps popping up in my head. I thought maybe hearing your voice would help, but unfortunately for me, you're busy with work and I don't want to disturb you.
It's fine. I was almost done with work anyway.
Thank God, I was starting to feel silly calling you late.
Love is beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Peace be unto this house.
You again.
Namio,
What do you want?
I bring special package for you.
Please, I don't want. It's okay.
No, this one will be wrong address. So no fear, just calm down. This one is for you. Special for you. If you doubt time, if you come, I'm gonna make confirm.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure, 100%. You see this one? I take blame.
See, don't think this is the last time. Oh. If you people insult me, if anything goes wrong, I will insult you people back.
Who will insult you? The one we insult before, not being because this
You
one.
are sure?
I'm very sure. Clock it.
Thank you.
Clock. If you come, I'll just call and make confirm.
Yeah, I'll call him. You can go. You can go.
Thank you.
Helen?
I assume you received my package.
Yeah, I just wanted to be sure it wasn't a mistake. I don't want to be insulted a second time.
Of course, I hope Osapolo isn't foolish enough to make the same mistake twice.
Alright. Now I can open it. You got me food. Thank you.
Just trying to make up for destroying your taste bud the last time.
And this really came at the perfect time because I'm really tired and famished. Yeah, I just got back from work.
If I was there, trust me, I would give you a thorough massage myself.
Really? It sounds sweet.
Have you met me? I'm the sweetest guy you'll ever meet.
You see, right now I just want to go inside, have my bath, and enjoy this meal.
Okay, fair enough. Talk to you later. Alright, take care of you.
Ah,
Who was that?
You're
blushing.
Me? Blushing?
Baby,
No.
you're blushing.
How? When? Where? I'm not blushing.
So tell me, who are you talking to?
Nobody.
Nobody? Oh, fine, let me guess. The guy that brought you home the other time.
Tell me.
Are you going to answer the question or not?
Are you monitoring me?
Answer. Is he?
No. Look, it's nobody special. It's just that package guy.
The package guy?
Mm-hmm.
Babe.
What?
The guy is making you blush.
I was not blushing.
Really?
Yes.
You had this big grin on your face. I thought you both were sworn enemies. Babe.
What? Kemi, I don't know what you want to hear. There's nothing special, nothing going on. But at least it's just we're no longer enemies. Please, I just go back home and I'm really tired. Stop looking at me, what?
Thank you so much. And you said you're not blushing.
Least expected.
You liar!
There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. Oh, love is sweet. Ah, Love is beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart.
This is literally the first time I'm wearing a man's shirt. It feels so warm and safe. Damn, it smells so good.
Hey, I'm sorry I didn't knock.
It's okay. It's your room after all.
And you look good in that shirt.
Thank you.
Look, I'm sorry for messing up your dress. I have a way of always messing things up.
Maybe your girlfriend has invisible eyes around, just making sure nobody comes close to her boyfriend.
No girlfriend.
So what about that girl I saw the other day?
Just a fling, nothing more. Look, let me explain it to you.
No, it's fine. There's no need to explain.
Okay.
The food. We should go downstairs and finish.
Yeah, I'd love to do that.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it.
That guy. That guy's not romantic at all.
Unlike you. I think that's enough.
That's enough?
Yes.
I've not even drank anything.
Are you being serious? Ray, you just opened this thing while I was here. And it's almost empty.
Look, this is nothing now. I drink way more than this. This is just breakfast, literally.
Ray, do you know how much damage you're doing to your livers?
Please. Okay, let's leave the damage. Let me just take one last sip and we can be done with this. Okay?
No.
Can you just allow me? I said one last sip.
No.
Just one last sip.
No, Ray, no.
Just one last sip.
No.
Nah, no, I don't just understand this parole. Which kind of nonsense is this one? When they call you, nobody answer your call. So you did house. Can you think this one, sir?
What are you guys doing here?
You did house, now they call you, don't pick your call.
Imagine.
Because you did with one anyhow babe.
What kind of nonsense is this one?
Cindy.
Come, what is happening now? What are you guys doing here? Why not going to talk like that for her presence?
As how?
Since when?
Eh? No, as how?
I beg next time, I know they talk like that for her presence now. What's it be this?
Because you did with why you did with your new toy. Mo, no, they talk. Can you imagine this guy?
Can you imagine this guy? Wait, Ray.
Oh boy, at least leave the drink for us now. What's in the apple? Oh, okay. You want to go finish? I'm upstairs.
It shocked me, bro. It shocked me.
Well, Afa, we'll go collect drink. They use drink, they do.
Don't mind this guy, leave me.
The phone is ringing.
Bring 2 glasses of.
Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expected. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expected. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expected. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expected. Oh, love is sweet.
Come on.
Love is beautiful. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Who the hell is this? Hello? Who's this?
My sugar.
Who's this?
It's me, Chacha.
Chacha. Why are you calling me with an unknown number?
I miss you, my king.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expected. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expected. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love
Hey. What? No. No hugs? You've not been taking my calls or responding to my messages.
Just wanted to be on my own for a while.
Okay. Did I do anything wrong?
Your friends, they don't like me.
My friends. Why don't you just forget about my friends? Their opinions about you don't matter. Just ignore them.
I don't like trouble. I'll just rather stay on my own.
Look, there will be no trouble, okay? I love having you around me. I mean, the peace and the joy that you bring to my corner is something I cannot trade for anything. Please don't take that away from me.
I'll think about it. But you need to promise me 2 things.
Okay.
So the first, your friends. You're going to need to keep them in check when I'm around. And then secondly, no excessive alcohol. Especially not when I'm around.
Okay. Friends, you guys heard? I have to kick you guys ASAP. All right? I don't want you guys close to me at a time like this. And then secondly, no more alcohol, guys. Okay, from now is mango juice, Fanta Coke, Ribena, water. Okay?
Stop,
You guys.
stop. No, you're just messing with me.
No, but I'm being serious though. So, now that that has been taken care of, would this be a good time to talk about the kiss?
I should offer you something. What would you like to drink? I'll just look for something.
Okay. Okay.
Sim. This is the only thing you have in your closet. I don't understand. You know how important this presentation is. And I'm not going to allow you wear these rags now. Please, I will go to the house and I will get something you will wear. This is important. No color blocking. No, please, not on this. Okay? I beg. Sim. Are you okay? What is it?
I think I may be falling for him.
Ray? Sim. You barely know this guy. Are you sure you love him or you just like his presence?
I don't know. But Vanessa, I just know I really enjoy spending time with him. And I feel something that I have never felt before. Ever.
Since when? Since when now? My girl is in love. What? Okay. It's a good thing. But you have to take your time. You have to think about it and make sure you really, really love him. And if it's meant to be, you both be together. Okay? Just think about it and make sure he is the one you want. Okay? Love my girl.
Vanessa, you're really the sister I never had.
Same here, Kim.
You know, I saw this beautiful dress and the first thing that came to my mind was how stunning you look in it. I honestly can't wait to see you wear it. How about dinner tonight? Let me know when you're ready, okay? I'll come pick you up. Alright, see you soon.
Beautiful. It's fine. Oh my goodness.
There is more?
There is.
Ball Street.
Oh, wow. And
It's original.
Of course it is. Do you know who my baby is?
Is this how quickly the tables turn? Just a few weeks ago, this was me. Unboxing gifts, receiving flowers, going on romantic dinner dates. Now I'm the one sitting around, watching someone else live that life. Wondering if I'll
Why are you just there staring? Look at this dress. Just look at this dress.
Oh, it's so fine.
Look at.
And it's bandage dress. Oh.
Yes.
That means it's very expensive.
I'm sure it is. My baby is up to the task. Do you know who got this from me? It was Ray. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh my goodness. I've never had anything this beautiful. I can't wait for him to see me in this. Oh my goodness, I hope I really look as good. Yay. How do I look? Not bad. Not bad, that's all. But when I put so much effort into this, and that's all you have to say.
Wow.
What?
I'm sorry forgive me for staring. I couldn't help it. I mean, I'm not exaggerating when I say you take my breath away. I don't think I've seen a woman this beautiful or this gorgeous in my whole life.
Please, let's start heading out before my head will burst.
Okay, I'll get the door. Ladies first.
Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful.
Thank you so much for today.
You're welcome. So, can we do this again?
Yeah, sure. Say. Okay, yeah.
I want to make this formal. I like you.
I like you too.
Can I be your boyfriend?
I guess I'll think about it and let you know.
I don't understand. You know the sea road. You're not seeing.
What happened?
Oh, you're asking me. Who did you leave the dirty dishes for? Me? You left your dirty dishes for me to wash. You want me to wash them? You can't pick after yourself.
Kemi, calm down. Since when did we start quarreling about who does the dishes or not?
Since today. Since you've decided you're going to be leaving the house chores for me to do, why you run after that wannabe Instagram bad boy? All you know is man. Anything between legs, that's the only thing you want. Yes, because why did you wash the plates? Why? I don't blame you, Sha.
If I prick now, you go rush grab her. Rubbish. Let's go over her. Don't just go back.
I don't just understand. That's just
See this one now. So they call you, you know go pick call. What's up now? You know they pick. Come on, let's first now. You don't pick calls, you know the answer text messages. What's happening? Abi, you see the vex for us?
I've been busy.
What's this one talking about? Which one is I've been busy? Busy as I don't understand. When did you become too busy for your guys? What are you talking about, bro?
Okay, fine. No problem. Since you master of the universe, can be a CEO. Boss man.
Chairman, sir.
We are sorry. Peace offering for you.
Well, like so did they apologize for your village?
I don't understand. I supposed to lie down for you. She is supposed to lie down for you.
You go prostrate.
You want me to prostrate? Make you fly over us. Come on, get out of here. See so they fear you.
See, whatever, I beg. What I want to say is that I don't like the way you guys treat Cindy. I don't like it. I know Seuna know me to be a person who deal with plenty girls, but that is not the situation with Cindy. I like her. And I have feelings for this girl.
Aww. Okay, love a boy. Love a boy. Take now.
Bro, I don't drink anymore now. I know they drink again.
You?
Ray.
You?
You don't drink anymore.
We will run things for estate.
Where they finish alcohol back to back. You say you know the guy. Bro, what's going on with you now? What's happening?
What's in this girl give you job? The real why I know they say no to alcohol. Oh. At all, never.
Yo, man, I'm on a different kind of highness now, so I don't drink.
Okay, fine. You don't drink. Stop drinking. So, what happens when somebody stops drinking? You have to take at least a shot to celebrate it, right? Let's take one shot and celebrate it now. Collect. Bro, come on. Fine. We know you don't drink anymore. Let's just celebrate one glass. Hey, glass
You talk too much.
Get the glass.
The glass. This one. What's this one talking about?
What's happening?
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Love is sweet.
Why the long face? Baby, you're crying. What happened?
She caught Ray in bed with his ex.
Hey, please. Just save your fake your fake sorry for someone else, please.
How can you be talking like that?
You think I've not seen the way you've been looking at me? Maybe now you're happy. We are both unhappy and miserable together.
Don't say that.
Please.
Don't say that.
Vanessa, if you try it.
If they understand the language, let me...
See, don't. I will change it for the both of you just now. Vanessa. I think I have time for this rubbish.
That man, he's not genuine. I knew it. He was too fine to be faithful. He was too good to be faithful. I saw it coming. I always knew it. And he was fine. Now why me? I know they even stress myself. I love the moderate ugly ones. Nobody go to drag am with me. You see all those rejected ones, now the one that they like. No, nothing. Person go calm down, resemble heartbreak. You get mind later. Expect I make it faithful. Azal na. Hi.
I thought you said you were done with her. So I'll show me your bed.
Look, honestly, I don't know how she got there. I was drunk, okay? And I was vulnerable and she took advantage of that. Look, I promise you nothing happened between us.
Do you expect me to believe that?
I swear. Look, come on, think about it. If I had someone here with me, do you think I'll send you a message to come and see me? I clearly didn't send you that message. She did. Because she wanted you to come and see us intimate. Look, I'm telling you that girl is crazy.
I'm tired. I'm tired. And I just don't want any more part in this shenanigan you two have going on. I'm tired of it. Just count me out of it, please.
Look, babe,
just leave, please.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love
Come
is
in.
a gift that every heart desires.
Same. I made spicy stir-fried noodles with chicken wings. Your fave. Do you want to eat in bed or you're coming out?
No.
Babe. I've been apologizing. I have said sorry in every way I know how to. I was heartbroken. I was hurting. I was bitter. And I took it out on you. I shouldn't have. I'm sorry. Please don't shut the door. Please, I'm truly sorry.
It's fine. But I still just want to be left alone.
Baby, I'm not leaving you. You're my friend. You've been sulking for days. I miss my friend. If you're not tired, I am. I'm sorry.
I miss him.
Then call him.
No.
Why?
Because I think he has moved on already.
You think so that fast? I don't think so.
Really?
Yeah.
Then why hasn't he called me?
Remember you told him to give you space.
And so is that why he won't reach out?
Amma, if you want to talk to him, call him. Okay?
Hey. Hello? Ray. Ray, why are you sounding like that?
What's wrong?
I don't know. I don't know. But I don't like the way he's sounding at all. I need to go.
Oh, do you want me to come with you?
No, don't worry. I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, at least
Love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Love is sweet.
Ray. Ray. What's wrong? You're breaking up.
What's wrong?
Look, don't worry about me. I'll be okay.
Ray, what happened?
Well, the doctor said because of the prolonged use of alcohol, my body has been struggling. And after I immediately stopped the use of alcohol, now trying to regain myself, he says I would need to rest and give my body some time to adjust.
Ray, why did you stop? Why are you trying to quit?
Because my life was a mess. And I didn't want to bring you into it. Look, I didn't want to hurt you because of my recklessness. You bring so much peace into my life. And I'm trying to be the person that could also give you peace.
Why would you try doing something this hard alone? You know I would have loved to do this with you. But you don't have to do these things alone. I would... Please.
I honestly didn't want you to see me like this. I just wanted to come back to you healed and better. I wanted to come back as someone deserving of you. And I'm sorry in ways that I've hurt you. I'm really sorry.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expected. There's a knock at the door.
I'm proud of you.
Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expected. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expected.
Hey,
There's a knock at the
Hey.
door. Check who is there. It's love knocking.
I got you gifts.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh. Ray.
Mm-hmm.
I hope this is not the same gift that got me into trouble before.
You mean the same gift that brought us together? Look, babe. Who would have imagined that a mistake as small as a one-digit number would bring us together? I mean, we called it a mistake. What if this was God's plan? And a written script and we were just playing our parts?
Thank you for loving me in a way I've only ever dreamed of. Ray, you're my fairy tale come to life. A dream come true. And I love you.
And I love you.
Thank you for making me a more responsible man. One that is deserving of your love. And one more thing.
What?
I guess what I'm about to say words cannot express.
The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. Love is a gift that every heart desires. 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 The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. The phone is ringing. Check who's on the line. It's love calling when I least expect it. There's a knock at the door. Check who is there. It's love knocking when I least expect it. Oh, love is sweet. Love is beautiful.